Wouldn't it be nice if there was a prescription to take for cash flow anxiety? Cash flow roller coaster anxiety affects all business owners at some point. And it's a feeling that can make you nauseous. It can take your stomach and turn it into knots. Hi, I'm John Witt with Business Wit, and today I want to share with you the 5-figure boom prescription that eliminates the cash flow roller coaster anxiety experience. Now, a prescription is a medication or a process that cures an illness. The anxiety of the cash flow roller coaster is certainly an illness, and it's the result of not getting enough to eat. It's an uneven pipeline for leads and customers, not enough coming in to feed the business. As a business owner, your goal is to acquire and retain clients. Depending on the stage your business is in, you might need to do more of one and less of the other. Cash flow roller coaster anxiety goes like this. You need more clients, and so you engage in a variety of marketing activity, networking, emails, videos, all kinds of stuff, whatever's your favorite, right? And this generates opportunity leads, some or all of which are converted into customers. And this is good news. This is the good stuff, right? And then you begin to service your customers. But there isn't enough time to continue the marketing effort because there's too much work to do. So the marketing activity is paused. While you're serving your customers the cash flow, it's really good. This is the upslide. This is the cash flow roller coaster going up, right? When you finish serving those customers, if they leave, they go away, something happens, the cash flow dries up and you're right back at the bottom of the roller coaster. So then you increase the marketing activity and the process repeats itself. It goes like this. This is the cash flow roller coaster. It's a tough spot. Forecasting is nearly impossible and investment decisions are incredibly risky because revenue consistency is not there. And the real tragedy is that belief takes a big hit because business owners, and I run into this all the time, they wonder if it will always be this way. And that's not a good feeling. Knowing that the bottom of the roller coaster is always just a step away creates an anxiety, angst-ridden experience. The cash flow roller coaster is certainly can be emotionally crushing. And the anxiety can literally make you sick. All right, so now I want to share with you a prescription process that I learned and used from the Boom Your Business interview series. This is the series where I interviewed 13 amazing marketing experts. And you can see the interviews now today, and they're free through June 11th. So if this story makes sense to you, I encourage you to register and watch them. You can get the Boom prescription at, and I'll give this again later, you can get it at businesswit.com/boom, B-O-O-M. Now here's how I use the Boom interviews to drive a reproducible product and a 5-figure cash flow result very quickly. I used Jeff Brewer's free product creation strategy and created a free event. I used Jeff's seed launch strategy to create an offer. I used Michelle Lang's free registration strategy to ensure that registrants attended the event. And I used Tanya Targett's speaker strategy to sequence my offer. Right? 3 interviews, got some great information from each one. This is what you could do. On the day of the event, I had 19 signups, and I had 13 people that actually attended. And I presented my offer using Tanya's strategy, and 5 attendees purchased the Business Momentum Accelerator product. And I delivered this 90-day coaching and training product for $2,500. And boom, 5 figures in revenue from one event that I can produce once a month. Now times 12, that's 6 figures in revenue for the year. Not so bad. All right, so let me share a little bit about each of these amazing marketers. Jeff Brewer is the creator and founder of Launch Hacker Lab. And Jeff's mission is to provide insights and systems from the world's top marketers so you can model what works and use these strategies to develop and launch products, even if you're a service-based business. And I'm a coach, I'm a service-based business. His training video is amazing. I only used a couple of his ideas. It's every time I watch it, I get something new. Michelle Lang with M Lang Media is an online marketing and video strategist. Her client results include multiple 6 and 7 revenue streams from her business, and her training video is packed with tips on how to do that. Tanya Targett is often referred to as the media darling. She's an international speaker, journalist, and author of The Winning Publicity Formula. And her talk is titled From Bathroom Mirror to Keynote Speaker. And as a keynote speaker, that's how you're going to get the free publicity. It's pretty awesome. These are 3 of the 13 amazing interviews. There's 13 of them. It's a Get the Boom interview series, and they're all free right now through June 11th. Now, every interview comes with an amazing gift, a fabulous free gift for any registrant. And if you paid for all the training, it would cost you $7,000. And if the free gifts are worth another $7,500, And if you even put two of these strategies in effect for your business, like I did, what would that mean for your business and your life? Now, you're going to join their list to receive the offer, but hey, these guys are worth it. They're amazing. Register now by clicking the link above or below this video. www.businesswit.com/boom and get the boom for your business. Cheers to your success.